Okay, now we're headed out walking through the pasture to where our layer ducks are. We've got about 150 layer ducks, and we also have some males in there, so we're going to get our own hatching eggs, and then we'll also have eggs for sale. This pasture, you can see how tall this grass is. I mean, these ducks were just in here, about 6 to 8 weeks ago, and you see how rich and lush this vegetation is. I mean, it's incredible what their duck poop does. It really helps jumpstart this cycle. In amongst here, it was kind of covered in weeds. You can see, like down here, we have a blueberry plant. We have lots of blueberries. We have some mulberries. We have pecans. Here's another blueberry and a pecan, and this is surrounded by netting, just so we'll actually rotate the birds through here, what they call a silvopasture system, which will be widely spaced trees for fruit and nuts. And this trees will be spread out widely enough that it still allows enough sunlight to penetrate the floor, so we still get the grass growth. So we'll rotate our birds through here. They'll graze on the grass, leave their manure, fertilizer behind, and we'll rotate them through, and they'll keep the weeds down. There are pest control, our weed control, our weed suppression, our fertilizer program all in one, and the trees will grow. And so we get a tree crop, a forage grass crop, and protein all off the same square footage of land. And studies have shown that silvopasture, like a savanna type system of widely spaced trees over pasture, is the most productive ecosystem in terms of not only profitability and food production, but also in terms of carbon sequestration and helping to mitigate climate change. The trees help give a sheltering effect to the soil, keep the soil cooler, and act as a long-term carbon storage sink. And then you get the rapid carbon sequestration from the grass through their sugars in their roots and through the leaves and the plants, and they break down and regrow, and their roots die back as they're grazed, and the roots regrow. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful system. And you can hear our layers. So here we go. Got about 200 ducks and a couple dozen geese. There they are. We've got our ducks, we've got our geese, and we rotate them every other day. We move into a new paddock. So they get fresh grass to eat, fresh bugs to consume, and stay happy and healthy. Pretty healthy, mature ducks right there. Look at you guys. Even though they're in mud and dirt all day, look how white their feathers are. Man, they just stay happy and healthy out here. Fresh air and sunshine and bugs to eat. Living a natural life. No pesticides, no antibiotics. Living as God intended them.